Cybercriminals have adapted their attacks. Rather than hack through your business's firewall, they will call your receptionist and impersonate your IT support company. They will con employees into processing fraudulent bank transfers, and they will send targeted phishing emails to your staff. Investing in physical and software products and not spending on training is like closing the front door to your house and leaving the key in the lock. Attacks are intended to exploit the weakest links in your security. Humans. Whether it's entering a business through an unlocked door, sending malicious attachments via email, or cracking your weak passwords, without cybersecurity awareness, your employees and colleagues are sitting ducks. So what is the answer? Cesario Cybersecurity Training. We focus on educating your staff about the latest cyber threats. We provide interesting, fully interactive content and program assessments. We ensure your staff understand and absorb everything, resulting in a secure business. Our training includes modules on social engineering, phishing, malware, email security, mobile security, and much more. Our training includes regular updates to incorporate the latest threats and how to protect your business against these threats. We are trusted by businesses all over the world. Your employees are a valuable asset that, with the right training and guidance, can turn them into your very own human firewall. To get started, why not try the first module of our program free of charge?